For the ultimate smooth blowout, our favorite combo is Aquage Silkening Oil Treatment and the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Portofino. Begin with 1 pump of silkening oil treatment and rub in between your palms. Apply from roots to ends. The trick is to comb through to spread the product evenly. Even on the finest hair, Silkening Oil's lightweight, crystal clear formula will never weigh you down. Depending on the length and density of your hair, reapply Silkening Oil treatment as needed. Remember, we want the hair to be smooth as silk, so make sure you comb through after each application. The Aquage Smoothing Brush, with its dual-level, boar hair and nylon bristles, along with Portofino's negative ion generator, are the ultimate static fighters when it comes to shaping the hair from wet to dry. Here's a pro tip. Think of the brush and blow dryer as being attached to one another. The brush leads the way, while the blow dryer follows closely behind and in the same motion. This allows for the ultimate control and smoothness while shaping the hair. The marriage of Aquage Silkening Oil Treatment and the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Portofino will have you smoothing hair in no time.
Panasonic.
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 Drybar would not be Drybar without Buttercup. She's our secret weapon and the ultimate blow drying tool. Engineered from scratch, Buttercup was specifically designed to meet the rigorous demands of blow drying over 1 million clients a year. She's super lightweight to help prevent arm fatigue, but she's powerful enough to speed through blowout after blowout all day long. In fact, Buttercup dries 20% faster than most professional dryers. And she weighs only 1 pound, 1 ounce. But she doesn't just dry, she conditions. Buttercup uses ionic technology, which conducts millions of negative ions per second to help seal the cuticle, remove frizz, and add shine. Buttercup has 3 temperature settings, 2 speed settings, and a cool shot button to lock in your style. And since she doesn't dry your hair out, you're left with a softer, bouncier blowout. If you want to create a perfect dry bar blowout at home, Buttercup's your gal.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Alley Show.
Thanks everyone! I'm so excited to introduce today's guest. She's responsible for over 1 million blowouts a year. She's strong, powerful, hot, but still the coolest around. It's with great pleasure I welcome the one and only Buttercup! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have you here. You're like the perfect dryer. You're super lightweight, have 3 temperature settings, 2 speed settings, and a cool shot button to lock in the style. I mean, come on, there's a good reason we made you our mascot. So we all know that Buttercup has a super powerful motor and only weighs 1 pound, 1 ounce. She also seals the cuticle, which increases shine and reduces frizz. But what most people don't know is how amazing she is on the inside. Buttercup features ionic technology, which conducts negative ions to help give your hair that smooth and shiny look. She literally conditions as she dries. Plus, Buttercup dries 20% faster than comparable professional dryers. Pretty cool, huh? I'm sorry, I am doing all of the talking. Is there anything that you wanted to add? You're amazing.
Press the power switch once to turn on your Cura. To turn the dryer off, press the power switch once again. To alternate between high and low speed settings, press the speed switch once. To change the temperature, press the up or down arrow on the heat switch to reach your desired heat setting. Align the concentrator with the front of your Cura and snap into place. To remove the concentrator, pull the nozzle downward to release. Use the wider drying concentrator to dry the hair evenly with a wide volume of air. Use the narrower styling concentrator to style one section at a time with concentrated airflow. To activate the Cool Shot, press and release the lock-in Cool Shot button once. If you're unsure if the Cool Shot is on, simply check the air temperature with your hand before styling. To deactivate the Cool Shot, press the button again. Twist the Pure Stream cap counterclockwise to release it. Once you're done cleaning it, align the cap with the slots in the back of the dryer and twist clockwise until it clicks into place. To clean the filter, use a soft cloth or small brush to remove dust and lint that may have accumulated on the metal mesh. You can also use your fingers to gently clean the filter.
It's often thought higher hairdryer wattage means more powerful airflow. But that's not science. The Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer has air multiplier technology, converting high-pressure air into a controlled, high-velocity jet to deliver fast, powerful airflow at just 1600 watts. Now that's science.
With its powerful digital motor and intelligent heat control, the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer now features new attachments to style, define, or shape different types of hair for fast drying with no extreme heat.